relationship between menopause and IBS and or SIBO.
Please do.
Because, the reason I think we wanted to speak about this here is that there are many people who have IBS and really it's SIBO because that's the number one cause of IBS, and they don't know that it's still new for a lot of people to know that there is an actual cause of IBS here. Most people are told it's a mystery, which maybe it is, but studies show up to 70% of IBS patients, the cause is SIBO. But what we know from studies is that before menopause, people who have IBS, the symptoms are not as severe as when we go into perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. So that hormonal situation makes the symptoms more severe. So that includes everything I mentioned, the pain, the bloating, the constipation, and the diarrhea. And studies sort of have some ideas of why is this, but it's basically that progesterone and estrogen are going down. They call it progesterone and estrogen withdrawal, and that seems to affect the symptoms. We know that ovarian hormones can affect GI motility, like the movement, thinking of bowel movements and other things, as well as the perception of pain. They can absolutely modulate how we perceive pain. They can increase it or decrease it depending upon what's going on. They can also affect our response to stress. And stress, they can actually increase our response to stress. And when we have that going on, that could lead to things like leaky gut. Some of you may be familiar with that, and a decrease in our immune system, meaning like we could be more susceptible to GI infections, which are actually a major cause of SIBO. So it's not thought that these change in hormones are a cause of IBS or SIBO, but they can affect the symptoms.